this stuff. Fuel up.
On last week's episode, we asked the Litzenbergers for some key advice before Todd headed for Hawaii.
Alright, I made it to Hawaii. Long flight. I gotta get picked up and we'll head to the sailboat. Hey, how are you? I'm Todd. Must be Nathan. Mr. Rusty, how are you?
Doing? All right. Oh,
Say
howdy,
hello.
howdy, howdy.
Alright guys, I got a task for today. We're going to organize some bins and get ready to take off. So, this right here is access to the engine room. All these totes up on top. And all of these. I'm going to unload them, organize them, see what we don't need, see what we're short on, so we can make one last trip to the store if we need to. We got all the totes done, and we had 2 empty ones. One we're keeping for garbage and stuff right now. The other one is full of all of this stuff that we are getting rid of or donating. So there's a little more room down there. Some thoughts after the first night of sleeping on the boat. Initially it was a little warm, and then it cooled off through the night, which was nice. Not sure how it's going to work when we're underway though, and we have to have the hatches closed, and there's no ventilation down in that front berth because the side hatches on the outside open. They're pretty low on the boat. They're not going to work underway. And this is the top hatch right there. They've said that sometimes water does crash up over the front, so it probably is going to have to be closed. But other than that, I think I'm ready to go. All secured up front right here. Pretty secure here. Deck chairs are tied down. Got the hydro vane in place.
I love you. I give you
Gotta get fuel. 84 gallons on the one side.
Gallons. I probably take another 80 gallons on that side. So probably
All
150 total.
Cool.
150 to 100.
Give that too.
Fish on.
Got the whole pool.
Holy cow, yeah.
Oh my God. What you need?
A big dolphin or something just jumped up here. Get our fish.
As long as it's not after this fish, right?
Something just took it.
Something's eating it.
Something just ate it. Holy crap.
Does it just go light?
Yeah.
Yeah, we might get half a fish. There's no weight on it. Very
A
little.
little bit.
You might just have a head.
Might have, huh? No, looks like it's empty.
Did they take our lure off the end? Oh, it's still there. It's way up here though.
Yeah.
It's the way it goes in the ocean. You eat, or you get eaten. Something got our fish. Well, got us some wind.
Stars and sun on separate.
Sail up.
Rainbow colors newly painted.
What do you think?
We're just figuring when this wind's going to shift around off our beam. It's still coming off the bow, see by its head on a little bit. We pull off the wind a little bit, then we're not going in the right direction. So going fast in the wrong direction is not as good as going slower in the right direction.
Never ask for nothing more than you. Think about it.
Getting 2 degrees port.
2 degrees port.
Be the perfect day.
So I got both sails up right now. Our wind's at about 65 degrees or so off the starboard.
Stars and sun all separated, rainbow colors newly painted. I put it all in a paper bag for you.
5.2 knots.
Have a nice day, all the guns and
So day one, we are now out here with some probably 2-meter seas. One of the portholes popped open in the back cabin from the pressure of the waves while we were heeling, and let a bunch of water in there that got Captain Rusty's bed wet and his bedding wet, and put a bunch of water into the bilge. So we checked the bilge, and of course the bilge pump wasn't working. The fuse was blown on that. Changed the fuse, it blew again. So we had to pull out an auxiliary bilge pump, pump the water out of the bilge, and get a little rougher out here. Right now what I have is some crystallized ginger. Was one of the remedies was to try some ginger. Seems to be working okay. I get a little bit here and there, a little queasy here and there, but it hasn't been too bad so far. So we'll see how that continues. Alright, I admit I fed the fishes. Next remedy.
stars and sun all separated, rainbow colors newly painted. I put it all in a paper bag for you. Have a nice day, all the gods and all the angels, got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough. One thing's true, never ask for nothing more than you. Think about it. If I could, I would be the perfect deja vu.
Get the fishing line out. Rusty's mattress. Alright, some eventful days, so far. Day one, as we were leaving, Rusty's port light came open in his bedroom. We didn't find out about it for like an hour probably or more. See his mattress and stuff right there. This is day three, still drying out blankets.
Stars and sun all separated, rainbow colors newly painted. I put it all in a paper bag for you. Have a nice day, all the gods and all the angels, got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough.
It's raining.
That was my good. The rain early in the morning.
That's what's in front of us.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Well, hopefully that's gonna move off by the time we get there in a couple days.
Parachute sail, right? Kind of?
Parasail.
Parasail.
Never fought anything quite like it before. Tied off.
Yep. Tied off.
Is that up all the way? Yeah, I think it's a little big for the boat. But we'll give it a shot.
Yeah, I thought you said the sailmaker fixed that.
Is this supposed to keep it from doing this or something? You know, I'm waiting for it.
Cooking on a sailboat looks like this, right?
Yeah. Hanging on for dear life.
I was asleep in the
get out of bed.
Motor, something wrong with the motor. The motor shut down, and we reeled this thing in, and Nate did all the reeling in here. I gaffed him without gaffing Nate, so good job, Nate.
Generally, good
What do you
size.
say? What's the weight on that thing? 40 pounds, 50 pounds?
30 or 40 pounds.
Okay, we don't want to exaggerate, but we can certainly got the height. It's at least 6 foot, tip to tip. Okay, let's clean him up and eat him.
Hey, look. What we got here?
Hey, sprout starting?
Cooking oatmeal.
Bottomed out.
The full quote dysfunction.
Right? Team effort. Exactly.
Oh, full tilt. Just about done. You got all the ingredients?
Everything's all still here.
Okay, I think he can like a circus act trying to juggle more things. And then plates, bowls, glasses.
Waiting at your table, it's giving you my heart was not enough.
There's the triangle.
Stars